Welcome back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
As you guys know, yesterday was the day for the She's Hot contest. Our winner was none other than the Gwyneth Paltrow.
Congratulations.
That's right. She is scandalous, and she is a hot vixen, as well as a millionaire. That's for you, Miss Gwyneth Paltrow. And our Rose and Gold Jamaican hair gel and shampoo has been flying off the shelves. It is hot. H-O-T. So make sure to pick some up for yourselves. But we will be doing a competition to see who will get the crate of the Jamaican hair gel and shampoo. We will be doing that in December or November towards that time. And Kylie Jenner and Kim, let me put some of the Jamaican hair gel in you and your baby's heads. That's for you, Kylie. Let's move into our hot gossip for today. Shall we, Dr. Ross?
So the first topic in the Bible says Rob Kardashian is back in it again, and he's recently out dating. He's trying to find new people to date around, but he said that his daughter dream is still his main priority.
Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna.
What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
The second I heard Rob Kardashian's name, it was a downvote for me. And the second I heard that Rob Kardashian was in the news, matter of fact, I heard that he was going to be dating, I already knew that the Black China and the daughter was going to be a problem to him. But that's a downvote for me. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Cut the cameras.
So on to our next hot topic, we have Miss Lisa Rinna was deemed embarrassing, and it seems like a lot of her fans are just throwing the salt, throwing the shade to the 57-year-old mogo and internet sensation. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Extra exclusive. Lisa Rinna naked in Playboy.
This is a thumbs down for me, Dr. Ross. First of all, to all the players out there trying to hate on this Playgirl, Lisa Rinna has been part of the Playboy International, and she is a multi-millionaire and a hot, scandalous vixen. That's for you, Miss Lisa Rinna. So she could go around, she could be butt naked for all we care. Miss Lisa Rinna's just out there doing her thing. Keep doing you, Miss Lisa Rinna. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
Brad Pitt does not care if Angelina Jolie lashes out at his new girlfriend for him bringing her around the kids.
So that was a lie.
Brad Pitt, that's a lie and you know it. So Brad Pitt, you better stop, because right now you sound like a sad sap sucker. We're not even gonna talk anymore about you because you're getting lower and lower by the second. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
The only thing I have to say about that hot topic is, I don't doubt it. I don't really think Angelina Jolie cares too much about who Brad Pitt's running around with, because, Brad Pitt is still begging at her doorsteps. But I do think Angelina Jolie does like to throw the salt on the newcomers, just to have the fear in their eyes as the scandalous mother. But let's get into our next hot topic. Real Housewives of New Jersey. Teresa Giudice lists her new Jersey mansion. With her oldest of 4 daughters going on to college, she just bought them a new mansion. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, she's going out there, and Teresa is taking that money she got from the FBI for turning the Joe Giudice in, and she's trying to flip that and buy houses and cars. Do you, Miss Teresa? And I'd love to take you and the daughters out on a date. That's for you. Let's live the vida loca. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
And on to our last and our final hot topic, we have Cardi B is turning her WAP song, which, is just about pure scandalousness and butt nakedness.
I haven't actually put them on yet, so why don't we do that next?
But she's turning her WAP song into a PSA for wearing masks. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Dr. Ross, Cardi B was one of our winners for the She's Hot contest. And obviously right now, she knows that she's scandalous, and she's put that to the max, to the 100. So she's probably trying to go out there and trying to tell everyone to be safe, wear a mask, and always remember, wash your hands and use hand sanitizer.
While all of them had nothing but masks on in the music video.
What?
And on a sidebar, Dr. Ross, let's go back to the topic on Kanye West and his presidency campaign.
Exactly.
So we're hearing that he just spent $6 million in signs and advertisements for his campaign. To me, Kanye West, this is a thumbs down from me. You should have invested into the Jamaican clothing line, because
Exactly.
that would have been a better investment. That, you know, Dr. Ross, most likely he probably spent $200 and just put some picket signs in front of his house.
Exactly. And Kim probably ran out there and took them all out
That's
after
right.
he spent the money to take them out there.
That's right, because we've never seen any of your ads. This is a thumbs down. Let's move into our horoscope for today.
I like it, cut G.
Our horoscope for today is Virgo. Getting organized doesn't have to be an excruciating chore, and it doesn't have to take a long time either. Just find one or more of your methodical friends and ask them to show you their tricks and techniques for keeping the chaos of life at bay. To all of our Virgos out there that their birthday is today, happy birthday.
Exactly.
Let's move into Ask Dr. Ross.
Niggers!
Let's move into our questions for Dr. Ross today. Question, Dr. Ross. Carla is asking, is it wrong if she went to go buy a pair of boots and she told her boyfriend that she was going to go buy them, so he gave her the card and they were over $2,000? Is she wrong? Should she refund them or should she keep them?
Well, first of all I'm going to say is thank you for the question, Carla. And second of all, he told you get boots. He never said a price. So keep the boots. Enjoy yourself.
Bro. That shit was so retarded. I'm about to respond in another language. What the?
No cap.
Our final question is from Jojo. Jojo is asking you, Dr. Ross. He has a wife who has a twin sister. And he says that one's name is Chiquita, the other is Shaquita. He can't tell apart from who is who. So he'll go up to Shaquita and say, hey, what's up, Chiquita? And then they'll say, but I'm not her. I'm someone else. What should he do, Dr. Ross?
First of all, thank you for the question. And second of all,
What did you just say?
I like how you threw in some jokes in there and you said that their name is basically the same thing. But you know good damn well who you married and who is your wife that you've been with for 8 years. Don't just walk in there act like you don't know which one is which and you just kiss them dead on the mouth. But these were all of our questions for Ask Dr. Ross. Thank you for all the questions. And as always, our winner for today was...
The Gwyneth Paltrow.
Exactly. Congratulations.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Congratulations, Miss Gwyneth Paltrow. We will be shipping out a She's Hot trophy to your doorstep.
Exactly.
These were all of our questions and hot topics. That's for you, Kylie Jenner, and the Kardashian clan.
Thank you for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Constantly.